grow so vigorously bold. I miss their leaves so they know it's like their natural home.
And over here at EFG, our planty friends help us all to breathe. You see, the larger the leaf, the more CO2 that it will need. And I dream of the orchids over these new and beautiful colors. Make the world oh so vibrant and full of wonder. The zygopator or one hides away from rays of sun, but the dendrobium likes to climb up higher. Yeah, where it's brighter, it holds on tighter. And when there's lots of rain, the roots will change from white to green, just like a sponge. So they can bloom again in the spring. 'Cause when your orchid shows you tons of flowers, that means it's glad that you're part of its team. But please be careful with your orchids. Sometimes it's best to just let them be. And if naturally it grows on trees, then you may need to let it dry out in between each and every watering. But if it's anchored in the ground, then it may have higher moisture needs. You see, the most important thing is protect them from a freeze, because our orchids are like people and can stay warm by your kitchen sink with a brightly lit window. And you should occasionally miss their leaves. Yeah, humidity. They love humidity, because your air conditioning makes it too dry for their leaves. But the Florida weather in the spring is oh so perfect for everything.
I'm in the jungle, feeling so free, with all of these plants around my windows and screens. They keep the air I breathe so clean, like my monstera with half-moon leaves, or all of my orchids in bloom by the windowsill. The fragrant smell of coconuts in the air, because my maxillaria has bloomed this year. Watching my Hoya climb its way over the trellis that I made, or giving out cuttings to my friends and helping them grow them